We consume millions of these every day. It's lightweight, it's cold, it's disposable. But where do they begin? It begins deep in the earth, specifically in regions like Guinea, Australia, and Brazil. These countries hold the world's largest reserves. Giant machines strip the earth, digging up the raw potential. This red soil contains the aluminum, hidden 15 meters below the surface. These trucks operate in massive facilities, moving the ore across red dirt roads. This is the critical first step in a monumental earth-moving operation. From the mines, it's loaded onto massive bulk carriers, crossing thousands of miles of ocean. This is a silent, moving machine. Once it reaches the refinery, it's stripped. Using massive amounts of electricity, we melt it down. The chemistry here is brutal: heat, pressure, and precision. The raw earth becomes molten liquid, pure aluminum siphoned off through intense heat and pressure. Heat, pressure, and precision. Silvery aluminum sheets are molded into thousands of cans every minute, shaped by heat and mechanical precision. Engineering art in the blink of an eye. But the aluminum in your hand is a traveler. It has crossed oceans, survived intense chemical refinement, and traveled thousands of miles. Every time you hold a can, look closer. You aren't just holding a drink. You're holding a piece of global geography, moved by human ingenuity, tracing the incredible trek from the earth to your hand. Ingenuity in a single can. What will we trace next?